Hello, Sean Mize again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to point your DNS to the web host. And if all that is Greek to you, just follow along. Okay, basically what this is going to do is tell your domain name provider how to communicate with your web host and then indicate to the World Wide Web that your when someone types in your domain name that it should point to your server over on your web host so that your website comes up. So let's go over to Namecheap first and log in. Okay, I'm already logged in. I'm not going to log out just to show it, but you'll log in. Then you go to your account, manage domains. Okay, and there we go. So I want to modify one of my domains, and I'm going to type it in here. So HowtoPilotSecret.com. I'm going to hit modify. Let's look at these instructions again. I've put this here in step 2, get the name server info from the welcome email from the web host, and I'll show you that. So we can't do this until we get this email. So I've got an email from HostGator that gives me all my passwords and that kind of thing. So I will be changing those passwords. Okay, so let's come back into Namecheap. So step 3 is click the button called Transfer DNS to Web Host. Okay, and that is going to be in here, Transfer DNS to Web Host. Okay, it says modify domain. So now it says specify custom DNS servers. Okay, now those are the servers that are in this Gmail. Notice there's 2, first name server, second name server. So I'm going to copy the first name server. I'm going to copy it so I get it right for sure, and I paste it. Now I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to paste this one. Okay, so if you remember when you got your HostGator account, they asked you what the name of your website was, your domain name, and this is how they identify. So when your DNS comes over from Namecheap and is recognized here at this name server, then HostGator knows that this name server and your website are associated. So all we're doing is linking your domain name with your web host. So we're going to click Save Changes here. And name servers were updated successfully. And I don't believe there's anything else that we have to do. When prompted, I put these instructions here so you could see them. This is really, really simple. I don't believe there's anything else we need to do. But what we'd like to do is let's type in HowtoPilotSecret.com and see what comes up. What we may have come up is still the name. Oh, it's already pointing over to HostGator. Okay, so you'd be able to log in to your HostGator account now. Okay, that's not on this video, but that's what you'd be able to do. So this is showing that already. Sometimes it can take up to 48 hours for this to occur, but I mean almost instantaneously the HostGator is coming up for your website. And obviously when you put your web page on here, then this page won't come up anymore. So folks, that's it. How to point DNS to your web host.